We'll cut 2 circles, 120 centimeters and 123 centimeters. And we're going to align it. We're going to baste all the way around here. Look. Make yo-yos. Little stitch down, little stitch up. Down, up. It's really easy, isn't it? Let's put the CD in here. Pull it like this. Adjust it. Center it right here. Pull it really tight. And let's finish it off. To finish it off, we can add a flower. Look, a rhinestone. You can make a yo-yo flower and stick it on top here. You can glue a button. It can be whatever you want, guys. It's whatever you have at home. It's whatever you think looks nicest. All right? I'm going to use a 40 centimeter closure and we're going to sew it right here, like this. I'm going to pull. Open here, see? It's easier this way. I'm going to start from this little metal piece here, see? Over to here. See? I'll sew right here, like this. Guys, I didn't come up with this little bag, okay? I learned how to make it on my friend Aerotildes Andrade's channel. Aerotildes makes a lot of beautiful things. Let me find the little hole here. So, I learned it on Aerotildes' channel. But Aerotildes, she glued it. And I'm not going to glue it. I'm going to sew all the way around here. If you want, you can glue it, right? That's what I say. Each crafter does it their own way. Aerotildes glued it, and I'm going to sew it. And then you start coming up with new ideas. We take one idea and do it differently. And everything turns out beautiful. Look, I'm going to make some stitches here. Right next to the other one here, look. All the way around here, look. There, just like that, see? Look. Right sides together, right? And sew all the way around here. Look, guys, I opened the whole zipper here to sew, right? It's easier that way. I made the stitches, see? All close together here. Now look. I got here. Now, I'm going to sew like this, look. Just a little bit up here, see? And I sewed here, look. Just a little bit further ahead, see? Now you just need to fasten it off. I'm going to leave the zipper here, look, completely open. And we're going to sew here, look, just like we did on the other side. Just a little bit here, look, past this metal piece, see? Same thing, guys, just like we sewed on the other side. I'll insert the needle into the small flap. Look. I'm going to make small stitches here, look. All the way around, look. Until I get to the end. Just like I did on one side, I'll do on the other. When you get here at the end, we do the same thing, look. Leave this part tucked inside. Look. Let's make small stitches here, like this. Just a little farther along here. See? Up to here, like this. Look, I sewed just a little farther along, see? Now we fasten the closure here, see? I'm going to cut off this leftover piece. I'm going to trim a little farther along here. Is that okay? I cut a piece of fabric here. Look, 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters. I fold it here. Look. This is to finish the clasp. I made a little fold. Shall we? Let's sew right here. I put it here. And I'm going to make little stitches by hand. Now I'm going to make a few more stitches right here to sew this side closed. And on this side too. It will look like this, see? See? I made a stitch here, a stitch there, joined everything together. There you go. It will look like this, see? I'm going to close it here. If this part stays up, guys, look. This part, hold on, look. If this part here stays up like this, look. You just have to check here, adjust it. It has to stay like this, look, facing down. Here. Now, I'm going to make a little stitch here, look. I cut another little piece of fabric here, 4 by 7 centimeters. I make a little fold here, look. I folded it one way, then the other. Now we're going to put it right here at the tip to finish it off. If you have another idea too, something cute to glue on here, right? This is the easiest way to finish it off, look. I'll put it here and make a few stitches to close it. Look how beautiful it turns out. Look. Cool, right? And look inside, guys. Look here. Everything is so neat inside. Look how beautiful it is. If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.